Okay, so I think what you can do, Monty, is like if you go into Google Classroom and you look at, let's say this was Blake's, and you're seeing his document on your end looks fine. You can hit this here, and it actually opens it up as a full Google Doc. And you can go here to share. And get shareable link. Try sending him the link. Make sure it's in editing. Can edit. Copy link and like email it to him. I've done that before. Try emailing it to me too, and I can tell you if the document when I get it looks blank or not. I don't know if he's opening the wrong thing or not. And sometimes it has happened in Google Classroom. But yeah, if you go and do that little trick, hit there, and then go here and get the actual link, and send him the link to this actual document, it should still edit on here and you should still be able to see it through Google Classroom as normal. But it just might fix if there's any miscommunication from what he's looking at, where he's actually getting it from, and what you're looking at. Does that make sense? If you share it with me, I can tell you when you send me the link if it looks like that too. All right, let me know if this helps. Bye.